Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to accept collaboration request. If anybody has sent you the collaboration request, you just need to go to the settings in admin dashboard, and here in the notification you will find the collaboration request notification. You just need to click on it, right? Else you can also go to users, and here also you will find the collaboration request that is pending right now. You just need to click on it, right? So here you can see what kind of access he or she is looking for. You can simply click on triple dot and then click on edit permission, and here these kind of settings permission he is asking for, right? You just need to click on accept request and your collaboration request would be accepted. You just need to verify your account, right, your Shopify account, and in such manner you can simply accept the collaboration request on a Shopify store. If anybody is designing a website for you, then you need to accept the collaboration request, right? Mostly web developers send these kind of requests, so you just need to accept it and your collaboration request would be accepted, right? Here I'm just entering the 6-digit code sent to the email, right? Okay, let's submit it. Okay, so now he is the collaborator, right? You can simply refresh the page and the collaboration request will move from pending to active. Okay, it's done. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.